Good, beautiful people, welcome to another fantastic video. Guys, today we are going to look at a new feature which is about to be launched on the Higgsfield website. This feature is going to help you, just like the Higgsfield website actually helps you create beautiful AI generated video. So the new feature we are going to be discussing today is Kling 3.0. This is actually very amazing. I'm going to show you what are the expectations, what we are going to see, and everything possible that you can do with this new Kling 3.0 that is going to be launched very soon. Now, generally, of course, you know that the Higgsfield website, you can actually use it to create beautiful cinematic AI generated videos, just like you see on the screen here. There are beautiful AI generated images or videos that you can actually create, and you can create this with the help of a simple prompt or a button. It's literally very simple, and a whole lot of stuff that you can do using this Higgsfield website. I don't want to start talking about all of the features, but today specifically we are going to be focusing on Kling 3.0, what we can do with Kling 3.0 and how we can actually use this, and what are the expectations, so that when it officially drops, because it's going to be dropping officially very soon in a couple of days, when they officially drop, what you can actually do. And I'm also going to be making more videos to show you exactly how to do it and what to expect. So watch the video to the end in order for you to get all of the information that you might need. So like I said, let's focus on Kling 3.0. So as you can see, why Kling 3.0 has not been released yet, current signal suggests it marks the next major step forward towards professional AI video generation. Kling 3.0 is expected to evolve into a production ready video system that brings generation, transformation, and consistency into an undefined workflow. So if you're looking for that tool that is going to help you do some magic, this new feature that is going to be dropping very soon, Kling 3.0, is everything that we need. So you can actually I might leave a link to this stuff. You can actually check it out. So let's look at some of the features that the Kling 3.0 is going to have. So it's going to have longer formats. So as you can see here, it says here longer format. Another clear trend is the shift away from short output. So normally, I think on the other versions of the Kling, you can actually create some minutes, or I don't know, but for now, the new feature is going to be having longer format, and that is good for people that want to create longer videos. It's going to have structured multi-scene generation. So if you have multiple clips, or you're going to, as you can see, instead of producing isolated video clips, Kling is evolving towards structured multi-shots sequences. So it's going to have multi-shots. Instead of generating it little by little, it's going to do it together. So very good feature that we are going to be having very soon. So this one is also saying subject consistency. So it's going to be to maintain the subject matter towards the AI video generation. So as you can see here, taken together, this signal strongly suggests that Kling Video 3.0 represents a consolidation milestone, marking a shift towards a production ready AI video system. So very good subject generation. So mapping existing Kling releases to Kling 3.0 capabilities. So if you are like, for instance, there's Kling 2.6 focused on native audio generation, there's Kling 1.001, there's motion control. So Kling 3.0 now is going to combine all of this and even make it even much better. So I want you guys to be ready for this new Kling feature that is going to be dropped. So there's so many native 4K and high frame video, regional implanting and AI video editing, improved physics and character interaction, longer AI video generation durations. Guys, there is so many things that is going to be coming with this Kling 3.0. Now somebody might say, what is all of these things you're just saying? You're just telling us. How do we even use this AI generation tool? It's simple. Just go to the website Higgsfield.ai, don't forget, and then you can go ahead to use any of the feature here. You can actually create whatever thing you like. I've created so many things in the past using all of this. So you can actually just click on create video, and it will take you to the interface where you can now go ahead to start creating videos. So these are some of the videos I've created in the past, and it's pretty much very simple. What Kling 3.0 is going to do now is going to enhance it. It's going to make it longer. It's going to make it more structured. Like so many things. This platform is improving every day. So I can actually upload my own or just ask it to generate something in general. Okay, so this is previously, this is the one I generated. Let's see exactly how it looks.
Each step is a
okay, my network is having some issues, but let me show you.
statement of self-expression.
Okay, let me show you what exactly I just did to generate this. So I just actually gave you this image, and this image was also generated on the platform. You can actually use it to generate image. Then I just gave it a simple prompt and say, using the image generate a working model. Just somebody who, as in, just make this image working and then tell us things about modeling. And that's exactly what this video is all about.
And
As you
keep
can see,
moving forward.
very, very simple. And the what Kling
Each step
3.0 is
is
going
a
to do
statement of
is going to make
self-expression.
it have longer duration.
Embrace your uniqueness and keep moving forward.
Very, very simple. There's nothing crazy here, but this platform, as you can see here, this video is displayed in high quality. Kali 3.0 is going to enhance it, giving it more, making it more consistent, and multi-shot. I can have multi-shot. Can actually have so many things included on the Kali 3.0. I can't wait for the feature to drop very, very soon, and I'm going to be bringing it guys to the notice. I'm going to bring it here so that you see exactly how it's done. So guys, have you been looking for a platform to generate your AI videos? I mean, how many times will I tell you? Higgsfield AI is the only platform you need. I mean, there's so many things you can do here. As you can see, there's so many versions of Kling that have even dropped. A new one is dropping very soon, Kling 3.0, and everybody is super excited and waiting to see exactly how we are going to make use of that one. Okay, very, very, very simple. So why don't you check it out? Subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, turn on the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any video once you drop them. And then you are also getting ready for the new feature that is going to be dropping very, very soon. Guys, that is what I have for you. And I think I'm going to officially come back to the channel and then talk about it in full when it actually officially drops. So for now, this is what you can do, and there's so many other things you can actually do with Higgsfield.ai. So all I just want you to do is to go to the link I have in the description box below, check it out, subscribe to click on it, and it's going to take you to the platform. You can also go to the pinned comment, check it out, and it's also going to take you to the platform. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, this is the best time for you to do that so that you don't miss any video I drop on the channel, and then you turn on the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any video as well. So there's a lot of Kling video, Higgsfield.ai video that is going to be dropping very soon, so get ready. If you have a question, the comment is there for you. I'll be there to answer all of those comments. So check out all of these features from Higgsfield.ai, and then tell me the best one you like, and then we can actually go ahead to help you if you have any issues. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.